This is a video to demonstrate the utter predictability of cats. There is a cat, minding his own business. There's another cat, he's sleeping, also minding his own business. They cannot resist sitting on a new high object in a room. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my camera here, right there. So you guys are going to have a good view of what's going to happen. Okay, well, first he's going to come over and investigate the camera. But that's not what we're... Rumble, that's not what we're doing right now. Okay, so let's find ourselves a box. Here we go. Let's make some noise. Get them interested in it. And then let's leave it and see what happens. Oh, can you guys even see the box? Oh yeah, you can see the box. Okay. Rumble, get down. I don't want you on there. Okay. You knock over the camera. It's investigating. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna put his paws on it. And wait for it. Oh, he's going to put his paw on it again. Wait for it. And he goes away. Okay, let's see how long it takes him to come back. Okay, so that took just over 3 minutes to put a new object in a room and have him sit on it. I guarantee you this experiment is repeatable. He'll fuss at that for a little bit and then he'll settle down. Oh, or he'll fuss at it quite a bit. Okay. Rumble, hey, can you not do that, please? Well, thank you for checking out this video on the predictability of cats. I'll just zoom in so you guys can see the result of our little experiment here. There we go. That is what a cat will do if you give him a box and tell him not to touch it. He'll do that every time. This thing can't focus, can it? It's having trouble. It's focusing on the fire. Well, good night. And don't forget to subscribe to Linus Cat Tips.